In today's fast-paced world, finding time for personal development can seem like a daunting task. However, what if I told you that it only takes 1 minute each day to harness the power of the law of attraction and transform your life? This method is not about making grand gestures, but about integrating small, manageable practices into your daily routine to create significant changes over time. The law of attraction is a principle suggesting that positive thoughts bring positive results into a person's life, while negative thoughts bring negative outcomes. It is as simple as this: what you focus on grows, what you think about expands, and what you dwell upon determines your destiny. The beauty of the law of attraction lies in its simplicity and the profound impact it can have on your daily life. By adopting this principle, you incorporate it seamlessly into your daily routines, enhancing your life without disrupting it. It's akin to adding a pinch of seasoning to a dish. A small amount can dramatically enhance the flavor. The law of attraction works similarly, subtly enhancing your mental patterns and attracting positive changes. Consider the immense value of dedicating just 1 minute to focused thought. In our busy lives, a minute might seem trivial, but with deliberate use, it becomes a powerful tool for growth. Studies and psychological research back the effectiveness of short, consistent actions in creating long-lasting habits and influencing our long-term well-being. Using 1 minute effectively breaks down barriers of time commitment, making personal growth accessible and feasible. It's not about finding extra time, but about utilizing the time you already have more effectively. This approach encourages consistency without overwhelming you with a large time commitment, ensuring that you can stick with it day after day. We will look into how to effectively set up your daily 1-minute ritual, the best times to practice it, and specific techniques to maximize its benefits. Our goal is to equip you with a simple yet powerful tool that fits effortlessly into your daily life, empowering you to attract and manifest your desires. Establishing your 1-minute daily abundance ritual starts with choosing the right time and place. Consistency is key, so it's crucial to pick a time that integrates smoothly into your existing routine. For many, mornings work best as they set a positive tone for the day. However, if evenings or another time of day feel more natural to you, that is equally effective. The goal is to select a time when you can have a quiet minute without interruptions. The next step is to create a conducive environment for your practice. While the space doesn't need to be elaborate, it should be a place where you feel comfortable and focused. It could be a small corner of your room, a comfortable chair by a window, or even a designated spot at your desk. The presence of natural elements like a plant or a small water fountain can enhance the space, but the most important aspect is that it feels personal and free from distractions. Now let's look into the specifics of the 1-minute ritual itself. The practice is straightforward and involves 3 main components: breathing, affirmations, and visualization. Start your minute by taking a few deep, calming breaths. Inhale slowly, hold for a few seconds, and exhale gently. This not only helps to center your thoughts, but also prepares your mind and body to fully engage in the ritual. Next, softly repeat your chosen affirmation. An affirmation like "I can do it" is simple yet powerful. Speak it clearly and confidently, and most importantly, believe in its truth. The affirmation should be personal and resonate with your specific desires and goals. The repetition of these words helps to embed them deeply into your subconscious, reinforcing your ability to manifest and attract abundance. Visualize achieving what you've affirmed. Picture it as vividly as possible. Imagine the feelings, the setting, and the sense of achievement. Visualization is a critical component because when you visualize, you materialize. The clearer and more detailed your visualization, the more effective it will be in attracting the realities you desire. By combining these elements, breathing, affirmations, and visualization, each day you effectively set the stage for positive attraction. Despite its brevity, this powerful minute is a commitment to your goals and dreams, continuously fueling your journey towards abundance. And now we will discuss how to seamlessly integrate this ritual into your daily life, ensuring that it becomes a natural and uplifting part of your day. We'll also explore how to adapt and maintain this practice over time, allowing it to evolve as your needs and circumstances change. To turn the 1-minute abundance ritual into a lasting habit, it's essential to integrate it seamlessly into your daily routine. The key to successful habit formation is consistency, which is more likely to be achieved when the new activity is easy to start and can be performed regularly without significant effort. Here's how you can make sure your 1-minute ritual becomes a non-negotiable part of your day. In the beginning, it can be helpful to set a reminder on your phone or write it in your daily planner. Choose a specific cue, such as after brushing your teeth in the morning or right before you start your computer for work. This cue will serve as a natural trigger to perform your ritual, anchoring it to an already established habit. Some days your ritual might feel like a natural part of your morning. Other days it might feel more challenging. On difficult days, remind yourself that it's just 1 minute. Keeping a flexible mindset will help you stay committed without feeling burdened. If the usual time doesn't work on a particular day, find another minute where you can squeeze it in rather than skipping it entirely. Consider keeping a simple journal or log to note your daily practice and any feelings or changes you observe. Tracking not only motivates but also helps you see the cumulative effect of your ritual over time, reinforcing the benefits of your persistence. By adhering to this simple 1-minute ritual, you can anticipate a range of short-term and long-term benefits. Initially, you might notice an increase in your overall positivity and a decrease in daily stress. This is the immediate effect of taking deliberate time to focus on positive affirmations and goals. Within the first few weeks, you may experience heightened awareness of your thought patterns and a greater sense of control over your emotional state. Your 1 minute of affirming and visualizing success begins to counteract negative thoughts and fears, paving the way for a more optimistic outlook each day. Over months and years, the cumulative effect of daily positive affirmations and visualization can be transformative. Consistently focusing on your goals and the positive aspects of your life rearranges your priorities and enhances your ability to attract abundance. You might find yourself achieving goals that once seemed out of reach, experiencing new opportunities, or noticing an increased sense of fulfillment and happiness in your life. Accepting this 1-minute ritual is not just about attracting more into your life, it's about transforming how you perceive and interact with the world. This simple daily practice is a stepping stone to living a life aligned with your deepest desires and highest aspirations. We will explore common challenges that might arise with this practice and effective strategies to overcome them, ensuring your journey towards abundance is smooth and rewarding. By maintaining a consistent practice, you're not only investing in your future but also actively crafting the present to be as enriching and rewarding as possible. Even the most dedicated individuals can face hurdles when establishing a new habit, especially one as subtle yet powerful as a 1-minute abundance ritual. Here are some typical challenges you might encounter and practical tips to navigate them. It's easy to skip a habit that takes a minute, especially when your schedule changes unexpectedly. To counteract this, reinforce your reminder system. Use multiple reminders if necessary, such as setting alarms, leaving sticky notes in visible places, or pairing the ritual with a very consistent part of your routine, like your morning coffee. Sometimes saying affirmations out loud can feel odd, and the benefits might not be immediately obvious. Keep a record of any small changes in your mood or circumstances to help validate the practice. Over time, this log will serve as a tangible reminder of the ritual's effectiveness. The law of attraction often works subtly and over time, which can be discouraging if you're expecting quick results. And remember, the purpose of this practice is not only to achieve specific goals, but to gradually transform your overall mindset and energy. Patience is your ally here. Overcoming the obstacles to maintaining your daily ritual requires a blend of practical strategies and a shift in perspective. Accept the process as a journey rather than a means to an end. Celebrate small victories like feeling more relaxed or simply enjoying the quiet minute of reflection. And if the ritual feels like a chore, change it up. Use different affirmations or alter your visualization to keep the experience fresh and engaging. The key is to look forward to this minute as a precious pause in your day. Sometimes sharing your experiences with others can be incredibly motivating. Consider joining online forums or local groups where members practice the law of attraction. Sharing insights and hearing others' experiences can reinforce your commitment and provide new perspectives. By addressing these challenges directly and adjusting your approach as needed, you solidify this powerful practice in your daily life, enhancing its benefits and ensuring it remains a positive, enriching part of your day. In the conclusion of our video, we'll recap the key points and inspire you to take the first step towards implementing your 1-minute daily abundance ritual. We'll also encourage feedback and sharing of experiences to foster a community of like-minded individuals, all striving towards a life of abundance. By integrating this simple ritual into your routine and overcoming the challenges along the way, you are setting the foundation for a life that not only seeks abundance, but also creates it at every possible moment. Consistency is the cornerstone of any successful habit, and this 1-minute ritual is no exception. Here's how you can ensure that your daily practice not only remains intact, but also evolves with your personal growth. Set aside a time each week to reflect on your ritual. Consider what's working well and what might need adjustment. This reflection can help keep the practice aligned with your current goals and circumstances, ensuring it remains relevant and effective. Once you're comfortable with 1 minute, consider if adding a little more time could be beneficial. Perhaps extend the time you spend on visualization or add another affirmation that resonates with your evolving goals. However, always remember that the length of the ritual should not be a burden. The aim is to keep it enjoyable and feasible. As your life changes, so too might your desires and needs. Update your affirmations to reflect your current aspirations. This keeps the ritual fresh and maintains your emotional and mental engagement with the practice. As we conclude, let's recap the journey we've taken through this video. We began by understanding the profound yet simple law of attraction and how dedicating just 1 minute a day can leverage this law to attract abundance into our lives. We discussed setting up the ritual, the actual steps of the ritual, including breathing, affirmations, and visualization, and how to integrate this practice into daily life smoothly. We also covered the common challenges you might face and strategies to overcome them, ensuring your 1-minute ritual becomes a sustainable and enriching part of your daily routine. Now, I encourage you to take the first step. Choose your affirmation, find your space, and start tomorrow. Just 1 minute, you can spare that, right? And as you start on this journey, I invite you to share your experiences. Comment below how you've customized your ritual, the challenges you've faced, and the benefits you've started to notice. Your journey towards abundance is just beginning, and this daily minute is a powerful tool at your disposal. Remember, the consistency of small actions can lead to significant transformations. Keep pushing forward, stay positive, and watch as the world aligns with your deepest desires. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the Minute Daily Abundance Ritual. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more videos like this. Together, let's build a community committed to growth, positivity, and abundance. With this closing encouragement, viewers are not only reminded of the value and simplicity of the practice, but also motivated to engage actively with their journey towards a more abundant life.